check out what I just received a few days ago. Super cute. The new spring catalog for Color Street, spring and summer 2021. I just wanted to show you guys all the colors that they have. A lot of the same ones, but they do have some of the new ones. And here are the glitters. See, that's a new one. Very pretty. And Crantastic stayed. I was so excited. Holidays as well, and Night Terror. Holidays is definitely one of my favorites. I always buy 3, get 1 free. Ooh, look how fun. This is the clear nail art designs. We got some new ones right here. This is so nice. Oh, look at that. Look at that. This is the one I have on right now, and I love it. Show and Shell. That one is beautiful. Here's some other pretty ones. These were the ones that still available. Made it to the catalog. Here are some cute pedicures. And look, the one that I have on too. How fun. There it is, guys. You have seen it all now. The new spring catalog for 2021. Look at that. Look how pretty. That looks so summery and fun. Make sure to give a thumbs up if this was helpful, and subscribe to my channel so you could always be updated on the new Color Street tips and tricks. Thank you.